feel the heat from it, right? Okay. So you guys. No, I don't see this easy. Yes. Hot to cold. Put your pencil down, place your eyes on when you're finished. Right, quickly. Everyone is waiting. Okay, so I want to shout out a few people. I'm not going to shout out individuals, but just you know who you are when I'm talking about you. You finished writing either before I even gave the announcement that everyone should finish writing, or very soon after. And most of you made it so patiently. And I saw people even like slide their notebooks to their peers, which was really helpful for people to write more quickly. It made it very easy for their peers to copy the notes. So that was really empathetic. That was awesome. That showed that you're not only very serious about your studies, but also your friends learning. So good practice. Okay, convection. What do we have to add for convection? Put your hand down if you already know the call one. Yeah.
Convection is heat transfer through fluids.
So convection is heat transfer through fluids. I have a question for you. Everybody pencils down all eyes up here. 3. I see Tatiana's eyes, great response. 2. I'm waiting for Paige and Edward. 1. Great job, everybody. So when I say fluids, what do I mean by fluids? Do I just mean water? Do I just mean liquid? 3. Yes, fluids means both gases and liquids. For example, thank you. For example, air is a fluid, and that's why we have wind. Remember, wind is a perfect example of convection. So in parentheses, write air and liquid. I don't have a marker right now, so I can't. Well, go ahead and write air and liquid in parentheses. I really like how we're starting off with the definitions. You guys really internalize what I said yesterday about definitions and understanding what they are. So each time we start off with definitions. Let's keep the same format. So we start off with definitions, then we talked about how the heat is actually transferred. So for conduction, it has to be in contact. How is heat transferred with convection? Micah, everybody track Micah. Put your pencil down and track Micah for a second.
You said how is heat transferred?
How is heat transferred in convection?
If you're fire or something, and then you can feel the heat because like the steam and stuff but it's still hot air and coming through.
So what's happening with the hot air? Everybody put your hand down. Micah's about to figure it out, and we're about to all watch it do it. We're about to watch self-discovery happen. Micah's a scientist and he's discovering so much. So when you have the fire or the heat, right? For example, we gave the example of steam. So you know steam is an example of convection. What direction does the steam go?
In your direction.
In what direction?
In your direction.
Don't say in your direction. Is it going up, down, left, or right?
It's going up.
It's going up because heat rises, right? What type of heat rises?
Hot heat, right?
Yeah. So warm air rises. Let's add that to our thinking map. Hold on, no, come up. Warm air rises. What else?
Warm air rises.
Oh, call on a friend. Pick a friend. Now you gotta pay attention to it.
Just warm air rises. Oops. Sorry about that.
Finish your answer and I'll get your pencil. Warm air rises.
Warm air rises and we move from hot to cold.
Yes, warm air rises. And then, as it's rising, it gets cooler. And then what happens when it gets cooler? So warm air rises, put a comma, gets cooler. Then what happens? You can think of the ramen noodle example that I gave with the video.
Oh, wow, you know what was
Good question, raise your hand.